There is always frequently asked questions new students have. Is there a difference between middle school and high school grades? Do grades reset at quarter? Can you fail a class? Can you change a class? How many credits do you need to graduate? We will review these now. There is a big difference between middle school and high school grades. At this point, grades do matter. Everything that you do at this point determines where you'll be for graduation. Grades do not reset at quarter. For example, in your math class, if you were to get a C in the first quarter, this would continue to be a C unless you improved it throughout the semester, or your grade could also decline. Don't be surprised because it will not reset to an A. Failing classes put you behind for graduation. Let's review if you were to fail one class over 4 years. In 9th grade, you take 6 classes and pass for 60 credits. In 10th grade, you take 6 classes and pass for 60 credits. In 11th grade, you fail 1 class and complete 50 credits. Your senior year, you pass 6 classes for 60 credits. When you add up 60 credits in 9th, 60 in 10th, 50 in 11th, and 60 in 12th, you get 230. This is barely enough to graduate. So the golden rule is pass every class. Deadline to change classes is 6 weeks after school starts. Request these changes as early as possible. One of the no-nos for counselors as far as changing schedules is do not come in asking for teacher requests, changing your periods, except if you need to start early during first or during second. Lastly, 9th graders cannot add a 7th period class. All 9th graders have to wait for the elective lottery after the first couple weeks of school to get 7 classes. There will be announcements for the lottery. It's a highly stressful time at the beginning of school, so don't wait to the last minute to contact your counselor if you need any help. These are the Wilcox counselors. Next to their names are the last names of the students that they serve. You will be meeting them shortly. Now, class of 2025, let's start looking at how to pick your classes for next school year at Wilcox. Your counselor will be going over this with you shortly. Let's log into Aeries. There is a super S at the top of your screen. Click on it and find Clever. Then scroll down to the Aeries and log in. You're going to use your school email, which is S and your student ID number at susd.net. To sign in with your password or using your Google account. Let's recap. Go to the S, look for Clever, and then scroll down till you see Aeries. You'll log in with S, your student ID number at sus.net, or with your Gmail account. Now you need to change your school. Go up to the top left and see your picture. There's an arrow with a drop-down menu. Select the next high school you're supposed to attend. Now look for and click Classes on the far left dashboard. Then click Course Entry Request. You will see each subject listed on the far left as you go down. Now on the far right, you're going to select the drop-down menu for subject area and select English. Then pick the English class you want to take. You're going to go through each subject and click on the classes you want to take. Some classes will prompt you for primary request or request alternative. Primary request means it is your first pick. To prioritize your alternative course request, click on Priority Sort. You can click on the arrows on the far left to move electives up and down according to which one is your first option if your original 2 electives do not work out in your schedule. When you are finished, click on the Done button. To manage which electives you want for first and second pick, click on Manage and select which classes from your alternatives you would want if the class does not fit into your schedule next year. Then click Save. If you had selected any of these 3 classes as an elective, exploring computer science, CHAMPS, Intro to Art, make sure that you pick alternatives for these classes. They are popular and fill up quick. If you want to delete a class, click on the trash can on the far left of each class name. You'll be prompted whether you really want to delete the class. Check yes, and the class is gone. If you're interested in English Honors, make sure you check with your English teacher for applications and pick English Honors on your registration. Also, if you're interested in Honors Math, Click on Honors Math. Don't miss your English Honors application deadline. The deadlines do matter. This could affect whether you are able to take the class next year. There is also a selection for sports. Click on as many sports as you are interested in participating in next year.